Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build the website product display using HTML. Pure HTML. I hope you could enjoy this class and so like my video and share with friends. And okay, so let's start the video. So I will building that for you. There you can see it. We are building that for you. How to build the website product display using HTML and CSS. So I will be doing that for you, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy like this video and share with your friends. And here you can see it. We will like that, and now you can click it. Now here you can see it. Here is come. So now let's start the video, and responsive it is like that. So first of all I will go, and now till here my work is done, and here you can write head, and here you can write link should be, sorry, not write that. It is not write that because I will work on only HTML. Script should be RC should be script.js, and here we can write like head. And now here we can write enter, press US, enter, LIA, sorry, LIA, A should be my like, erase it, ID should be man, btn, one click should be viewman should be now. Here you can write like max, and here we can go, and here we can go copy it, paste, and here we can write erase man and write more. And here you can write on click, capital C, view woman, and here we can write woman, and here we can enter, and here we can write like div class should be container, interpret div class should be item, div class should be item should be mens, and enterprise span class should be shop slash name, span should be unicolor, and enterprise href should be https at www.uniqlo.com /UK /en /product cache midi /scrap minus 40019 .html 40 and here we can write target. Target should be blank, and now here we can go, and here we can enter press image sharing. Image sharing should be https://uniqlo, and first of all image sharing should be, we will copy from that, inspect, and here we can write like, copy that, and now the layer work is done. Target should be blank. And now the layer work is done. Enter press, and image shading also copy here. And now here we can go and save to the here. Then refresh. So here you can see the layer work is done, and the layer work is done. And target should be blank, but erase. And now here we can write like, copy, erase, paste. Here we can write span. Span should be Kashmiri Iskari. Okay. So here we can go, and here we can write like span. Span class should be old price. Old price should be my. Old price will be that 39.90, and you can try the span. Class should be sale price. Sale price will be my 34.90, and here we can enter press. Div class will be item supplements. Enter span class. Span class will be soft name, and here we can write Uniqlo, and here we can enter press, and now we can go to the here, and here we can Kashmiri old price, new price. Now div and div class items should be men's, and here we can copy. Div class should be items, and erase all that. Now copy that and paste it. Now enter. Now it is also paste, and here we can. It is a picture URL. You can pick any picture, and okay. So here you can see it. The lemma work is done, and enter press, and now here we can enter press, and here we can go to the here and paste, enter, and now the lemma work is done. So here you can enter press. Div class should be item men's. Enter press, and now here you can go, and here we can and paste to the here. Go up and paste it, and now dilemma work is done. Href is also done now. Enter press to the here, and here we can paste there. And if class is meant, close it. Sorry, erase it. And copy that. Now we can go to the second, and here we can enter press. Second is like enter press span class of should be Unilo. Same thing of top and it is copy it. Only picture is erase. Okay. And here we can paste it. And now 2 is also done, then 3. 3 should be also like that. 3 should be spare. Sorry. Another div class should be item mens enter press. Copy that. Paste. Copy. Enter. And paste another. It is a glass. Enter. Now paste. Now save here, then refresh. So here you can see dilemma work is done. And here we can dilemma work is done. So here we can and write enter press div class should be item man should be enter. Now item man should be span. Paste it, enter, and 3 is also done, and then 4, and here we can paste it, enter press. Now image Sherick also. Now enter press. Now enter. Okay. So till my work is done. So I will only change picture, and now we can go to the here. So save then refresh. So till here my work is done. Its picture is alright. So now we will go to the down. I will go to the down and go to the down. So now we can go to the down, and now here we can write like style should be erased, and here we can write font family should be Monsignor, comma sans serif, enter press. Joel should be jet, index should be 1, position should be fixed, enterprise top should be 0, left should be -5 pixels, -5 pixels, enter press, and now you can write width 100%, enter, let style should be type, should be none, enter, margin should be 0, background color should be 333, enter press, li should be display, should be inline, enter press, margin should be 0 pixels, 80 pixels, padding 0 pixels, 10 pixels, font size should be 40 pixels, enter, float should be left, enter press, li should be a, enter, display should be block, enter press, color should be white, enter press, text align should be center, padding should be 14 pixels. So you can find 14 pixels, 15 pixels, text decoration, and text decoration should be none, save, then refresh. So here you can say tell him our work is done, then go to the down and we can write here, we can write li, a should be hover, and here we can write not, here we can write not dot active, and here we can write background color should be hashtag 11, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it is my work is done, how to build that. And now here I will build their website product display. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and here you can see it. And I hope you can enjoy this class, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, support today. Goodbye.